Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Perfume Emotions. It's money again, and it's Lacoste L 1212 Blanc again, but with its flanker U Intense. So in today's review, we'll do unboxing, parallel authenticity check, and first impression and 2 to 3 hours sillage as per we have agreed. So let's move. Some idea of authenticity you can get from the way cellophane paper has been applied on a particular perfume box. So if you look into that, see, cellophane paper is very meticulously applied. And try to look on website that how the box looks like as well. So see, on the front there is Lacoste logo and name of the perfume. On the back there is famous Lacoste t-shirt. On one side is barcode, on other side ingredients. On top there is again logo, and at the bottom we will have barcode as well as batch code. Let's start doing unboxing now. It's very favorite part for me. So see, here box is quite sketchy, very beautiful box, and batch code is 3096. This amount and logo. So once we open that, you'll find a box in a box, just like this. And here is the gem. So it's 50 ml bottle, and it looks like 50 ml bottle, isn't it? It is. Another checkpoint is our knowledge about the notes. So for this fragrance, top notes are mandarin orange and turmeric. So I expect that opening would be a slight citrusy or herbal citrusy. In mid note it's lavender, cardamom and clary sage. So it will be soft, spicy and powdery and slightly sweet in middle or in dry down. And in base note it has vetiver and sandalwood. So once it gets settled down to my skin, I would have some sort of smell of like woody fragrance smell. So this would be the scent profile I would expect, and it will tell me that okay, I'm authentic. And once I'll spray, for one spray or two spray, it will not spray any juice, and that is also another checkpoint of authenticity. So it's taster. See, no, yes. So on third attempt it's sprayed. So that means it is authentic. And I have purchased this very cheaper from a company called vitaminsuk.com. Yes, as expected, I am sensing orange, slight turmeric, but orange is overpowering. Okay, I will spray it on both of my wrist just to have idea about how does it smell when it dries down, and few things related to like 2-3 hours of sillage and longevity. So 2 hours have been passed, and it is still on my skin, and I can smell sandalwood. So it has went up to its base note. But in terms of sillage, I would say for initial an hour there was some sort of arm length of sillage. Projection was also like some initially arm length, mainly intimate. And if we talk about longevity, it's start getting faded away from my skin within 2 hours, and after that it was literally skin scent. So this is not like its brother Lacoste L 1212 Blanc, which is very sweet. This is more on a citrus side, that was more on a sweeter side. Blanc lasts for long. This doesn't. Although it is intense, it is absolutely not intense. Yeah. So anyhow, I'll try this for at least 3 days, and we'll come back into the final review. Yeah. Thank you.